A bottle of water, please. Yeah, that's everything. Thank you.
I think we're gonna breathe some brakes, and Max is working on figuring out what's draining the battery. We're checking all the brakes to see if we need to rebuild the calipers. And
That one you need to rebuild it.
you think so?
It's leaking.
You saw brake fluid on there?
Wet, yeah.
But it's been bled. It's been bled recently. I bled it last week.
Yeah, you want to be able to go. You don't necessarily need to stop.
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready?
Okay, so what was the aim of today? What was the intended goal?
I think we're just trying to determine what we need to order in terms of parts, and so we're taking apart some of the braking system and figuring out what to order.
So today we have a particular focus on the braking system?
Yeah, I think so. That and electrical, once we get the battery a little charged up, we can start doing a little bit of testing. I know it's getting a little late, so yeah, that's it.
So what have we discovered so far?
Oh, the passenger side rear brake cylinder, I guess. It's a drum brake, but it's got like a hydraulic portion. And so the boot was torn, and there was some debris inside the cylinder, so that's probably got to get all replaced, maybe rebuilt. I'm not sure. And then the other side looks okay.
There's a big wear mark at the bottom there.
Yeah.
It's like it's got a giant gouge out of it. I mean, new one.
Okay, so what can you tell me about the actual braking assembly from what you saw?
Oh, that's Terry.
That's a Terry thing?
Yeah, he was real impressed. I don't know, some combination of different types of metals. I don't know. He thought it was cool, so you should ask him.
Are you hopeful right now?
Yeah. I don't think the car needs all that much. Friend weekends, you know.
Do you want to improvise some drama so we can...
Some drama?
Yeah, so we can...
Oh, Terry's such a... Oh, man. You should have seen Terry. Terry's a real... He's no good.
What were they doing in 1968?
I don't know. We got to work on that. We're going
Easy.
to have to introduce like a fourth friend midway through the season.
Okay, I'll send out a casting call.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we got to do.
Okay, cool.
Cool?
Awesome.
All right, thanks.
Look at this. It's so stiff.
Look at that. What is going on? How is this even attached? What is... Let me see if this one's... Yeah, there was like a switch, or there was probably a sensor.
I don't know what it is.
I think it's a sensor
like,
because there is on the interior there is like a brake light.